So I just arrived to the location where the cars is, and I can't believe there's nobody's here. I mean, am I early or does it start at a certain time? Like, this is not the actual auction where you do the bidding, but you come in and look at the cars. So I'm gonna go in here and see what's going on. Quiet. Nobody's in the parking lot. I don't understand this. Let me put my camera down just in case they don't want me to come in there with my camera on. Alright, so I got my little paper. Well, I got my little paper. What's up, Navy guy? Using the Navy? You a shellback? Me too. Navy guy. This right here is my little paper with all the list of cars on there, so we can go out and take a look at them. Man, they got some nice cars here now. I ain't gonna lie. I see two nice ones right here right now, but I know I can't get one of them. Man, they don't look too damn bad either. I mean, if you're into Jaguars, you got a Jaguar right here. Boom. If you're into a Benz, you got a Benz right here. Got the BMW over there. Right? A lot of these cars look dirty because, California is like a desert type area. Got the Audi right there. I got the Focus. I'll get y'all back later. I got to get in Focus. So here I am sitting in one of these cars that's out here. Man, it's a nice vehicle. And it got a lot of miles on it. I'm not too sure. How much it'll go for during the auction. Not too sure how much it'll go for during the auction, but it seemed like it was a decent car. It got like 213,000 miles on it though, but that's way too many miles for me to be playing. I need a car where I can put my own 213,000 miles on it. Nice vehicle though. Not too bad. I might be dreaming too. Might be dreaming. See, I like to sit in the car and let the car run for about 30 minutes with the AC on blast. See if the car overheats. I want to see what the car do. This auction here is a little bit different. See, the one on the East Coast, they have a cable that goes around the steering wheel with the key intertwined into the cable. So that way people can't, take the keys and all that. Here, you got a tent where all the keys are at. You got one guy who has a list of all the cars. And you got to give him your driver license and then go and check the car out. And then you got to come back, give him your key back to then get another key to go look at another vehicle. So if you can imagine the process of going back and forth trying to look at a car, but you got all day. All the cars I looked at got high miles on them. That one truck I seen when I first came out here, it had 86,000 miles on it. That might have been the right one. 86,000 miles is not bad. That's not a lot of miles on it. truck. I think I'm gonna put this on my list. I just want to put this on my list to see what the bid gonna be. Cause I'm curious. Well, I guess I ain't gonna get no car this week. Most of the cars I see out here that I am interested in has over 150,000 miles. So that's kind of iffy for me. Because you know something gonna be required to fix on it sooner or later if it hadn't been done. 9 times out of 10, most people don't take care of their cars. So it's a good chance if they got over 150,000 miles, it's a good chance they ain't even taking care of their car. But there is 2 that I might try to get. I might take a look at it. Might check this car out right here. Toyota Camry. Don't look too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get the key again and recheck this joker. It might not be such a bad deal. Well, this is not the most cleanest car. Start up pretty good, sound good. Sound good, motor running. Whoever had it before this really didn't take care of the inside of the car. So I wouldn't be surprised if the motor wasn't taken care of. There's a tail sign right there. The inside and all that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not all that enthused either, but I'm gonna let this joker run for about 30 minutes. See if the joker run hot. I'll let you know. Now this car here might be a blessing in disguise, right? Because it's been running for like 10 minutes. I done rev this joker up. This thing here sounds way too smooth to be a problem. Now, even though the car is junky in the inside, it wasn't well taken care of. I mean, the seats don't have no cuts in them, nothing like that, but you can just tell that they probably had some kids and they, stuff, trash all over the floor. But the motor sounds like a sewing machine. Tell me if you can hear this. I don't know if you can hear that, but that thing sounds like a sewing machine. I might be on to something, boy. I wonder how much this is gonna go for. Oh, I got a little sunroof up here, shit. Bam! You know what I'm saying? Come on now. I often need a blessing around here. That's what I'm talking about. Man, it seems like everything works too. So I can't be mad. You know what I'm saying? Everything works. It hasn't overheated yet. AC blowing cold. Max AC. Everything is online. I wish I could just come here and put the bid in person. Online. Put this joker in drive. You can drive forward a little bit. See how it goes. You know what I'm saying? This might be my car right here. Bang bang noise, and don't know if he's gonna blow up or don't show up. At least this joker is running, you know what I'm saying? It's quiet too. Man, I got some decisions to make. Man. The thing is running good. Can't believe it. And it's kind of been taken care of because you can look at the seats and look at the leather on the door and all that. You could tell they had some kids. I don't know how much these things here go for. It's a 2005 Toyota Camry. 2005 Toyota Camry. Well, I'll find out. I will find out. This is the only car I see that I will feel comfortable with driving, that I might be able to afford. Stay tuned. Oh man, I tell you, the AC's blowing. AC ain't blowing in my car. That joker got a leak somewhere. Can't figure out where it's at. This joker here is piping better than mine. See, at 168,000 miles, you know something gonna need to be changed. You know it's gonna cost you some money. Ball joints, tie rods, and at least the power steering seems to be cool. I can really test drive this joker, man. That's what I really want to do. I'll be taking a damn gamble. Try it out. Alright, so I registered with them, and I don't plan on buying nothing, but I'm going to monitor the bidding. And if that same car go for less than $1,500, I got to jump on it. You right? I got to jump on it. So that's not a bad price. $1,500. And if you notice, it's hot as hell outside. Yeah, so I went ahead and did my little register thing online, and if that one car go for less than $1,500, I think it'll be worth getting. I really do. I mean, even though it got a lot of miles on it, but hey, it's a get-around car. Can't be mad. It's a get-around car. AC work, everything work. So. Winter, it was just cold outside. Damn, 100 degrees? Come on, man, you gotta be kidding me. Man, ridiculous. Bam, let's get ready for your big sale. I know some of you guys are gonna have some book signings coming up, and I really hope you guys go in there and you wow them. You go in there and you shake them people up and get those books out of the store. Try not to leave none behind. Let them know when you come back to be ready. So tomorrow, my artist guy can't wait till I get my artwork, but I just contacted him earlier and he texted me back. He said he won't be able to meet up with me today. However, tomorrow I will be getting my artwork. I'll be going over there to the Bay, and I'm gonna go and sell some books to make my trip worthwhile. I'm gonna go ahead and sell some books, get my artwork. Can't wait to set it up. Now, because I'm getting my artwork tomorrow, I won't be able to get started on my book cover until next week. You see what I'm saying? It's always one thing after another. You're planning for this and all of a sudden something comes up where you can't do it. So it'll be sometime next week. So usually Mondays is my day off. I usually kick back, relax, either go golfing or mess with my clothing line. But other than that, I'll see how tomorrow goes.